Hey guys, this is Team 14 and this is our video for this midterm sheep herding project. My name is Michael.
I'm Kim.
I'm Joyce.
So let's look at the design of the robot first. Our initial plan was to make it wider, so we added some extensions on the side of the robot. And we also wanted to add a bit of a curl at the end to act as an arm to grab the balls as it moved forward. There was a color sensor attached at ball level just to make sure that it was reading the balls, as well as the color of the wall to make sure that it was moving away from that. Originally, we planned on adding a touch sensor, but the programming for that would not work.
Since we knew the walls were registered as red or black, we programmed the color sensor to back up and turn 90 degrees, then resume its regular probing programming. In this following trial, our program is seen to collect the balls and maneuver itself around the pit by raising its arms and pushing itself forward. Once in the pit, the robot is able to back itself out of the corner and recognize its position and end its program. This was the most successful trial in which our robot managed to get 3 out of the 8 balls into the pit.
Here we see our robot on the day of the challenge and it's performing its predetermined movements, pushing a couple balls around in the beginning. It's not really collecting them, but it's pushing them. We designed the robot to back up from a wall or anything it might encounter, and in this instance, because we were only using the color sensor, it was reading the wall something other than we had planned for, and it for that reason kept going forward into the wall. But as you see there, it eventually corrected itself and it read black and it backed up and went about its movements as usual. And here we see it hitting another ball, getting stuck. It's backing up, resuming its movements now. Very slow. The biggest downfall I think that we had, besides not having an additional sensor, was the actual speed of the robot. We actually left it at 35% of its test full speed. We did not increase the speed for this run, which I think dramatically reduced our effectiveness here. And here our robot is approaching the end of its journey, and it's about to end its program in the testing area.